Hi and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Now I've got a product review of something a little bit different here. I was scrolling through Facebook a few weeks ago and one of the ads come up and it was for this. You may have seen it, the Koh Universal Cleaner. And for some reason I stopped and I watched the video, and it's one of these things, claims, you know, it's non-toxic. It's the miracle cleaning product. And I thought to myself, if it really does what it says, then this could be amazing for all the spoonies that I know, all those with a disability, chronic health problem, or due to age, whatever, where cleaning tends to sometimes take a bit of a backseat because of we're just too tired, or we hurt too much, or, you know, just a rough old day. And so I contacted Koh, and they sent me through their home starter bundle deal, which you can get for £19.98, normally £39.96, and you get 4 litres of this universal cleaning solution, which is like, it's like one of those wine box things. Ladies, don't get it confused, won't be good. You get like the spray bottle to put it in. You get 4 microfiber cloths. The green ones are sort of things like kitchens and ovens and that, and you got bathrooms, and then a glass cleaner, and then a 4-pack of the diamond sponges. Now, out of all of it, I thought, not sure about these. They look like little sandpaper blocks. Really not sure. But the only way to find out is to put it to the test. And I was like, oh, I'm ready to call bullshit on this. I really am. It can't be that good. It arrived, and like all of us, you can't wait to have a play. Well, in 10 minutes, I knew it really was that good. There's jobs that normally take a back seat, like, you know, don't wipe down the kitchen cupboard doors enough, and so they've got a bit of grease covered on them. So I sprayed some on there. You leave it for a few minutes. You can see I put a video up here. And you start to see all the grease on the cupboard door turn white. You give it a wipe off, and it took the grease off. Now, we've tried some heavy things, you know, the old supermarket type products that contain harsh chemicals. Nothing has got this off. Also, when it came to our oven, we've been using sort of once every couple of months it's called Oven Pride, and it works. It does a great job. You put this stuff in, you put your trays and everything, the glass, in a bag, leave it 24 hours. Does the job, but it's nasty as hell. It's caustic, it's just horrible. You don't want to get it on your hands. But again, the Koh cleaned the oven, and that is the one that really gobsmacked me. I was like, seriously, how's this happening? It's just coming off the bottom of the oven where it's baked on. Another area where I wanted to try it was we ditched the deep fat fryer and we brought a Tefal air fryer. We cook our chips and everything in there without the need for oil. And yes, we should wipe down the lid every time after we finish, but you know what it's like. I think I'll put that away, I'll do that another time. It's Perspex, as you can see. And that was a real problem cleaning. I could not get the grease off of this, but I sprayed the Koh in, left it a few minutes, and I wiped it out with a green cloth. And the nice thing is, on the corner of these cloths, they've got like a little a scourer bit so you can get your finger in, and doesn't make scratches, but it actually works. And we even had it when my grandson, bless him, had left us a nice piece of artwork on our wall behind the curtains with pen. Wouldn't come off. Spray with the Koh, and off it went. So, we've always been promised these miracle cleaning things, haven't we? Oh, this will work, this will do this and that. Look, boom, it's gone. It's a miracle cleaning. This stuff is, and for 4 litres for £19.98 with these cloths, the sponges and the little spray bottle. Be careful with this, I always fall foul of this. Give it a spray, and it's not like a normal squirt, squirt, squirt. It builds up pressure, so I end up putting it down and it's still spraying away. But once you get the hang of that, it's really good. Go and check them out. uk.koh, that's KOH.com. It is amazing. We've used it on glass. We've used it on the car, on the oven, on the walls, on the woodwork, like the painted surfaces, the doors and the door frames. So far it hasn't failed us, you know, from cleaning a really filthy oven. I'm talking filthy, I'm embarrassed, I'm ashamed how filthy it is, down to paintwork and glass. What can I say? This really is the miracle cleaning product that we've all been promised for years on the TV, and I'm so glad that I stopped at that advert to check it out. If, like me, you got a disability illness, and that's what my wife has as well, she's got hypermobility syndrome and teats, and she suffers a lot, and there's times where she's not quite up for cleaning, so we do skip those cleaning jobs, and as you know, they build up and then they end up getting worse. So if they have got worse, this stuff will take care of it, but also this cuts down cleaning time. Straight across everything, give it a clean, lovely. Even on the brass table, gave it a tss, and it polished it up really nice. Really, really impressed. And I'm going to stop there because I will just keep going, this is amazing, it does this, it does this, it does this. The comments I had when I got it and said, look, I'm going to review it, were absolutely amazing. People saying, I've got this, really, very, very, very good. Go and check them out, uk.co.com. You can also find them on Facebook, and they've got lots of videos where they're cleaning things like the cooker hood where the grease builds up. He sprays it on there and you can see it working. No toxic chemicals, no nasties. This is the cleaning product you want. Ditch all that supermarket nastiness that's not good for us, our pets, and doesn't really do the job anyway. And that is that. Don't forget to like the channel, subscribe to the old reviews. It's the wrong way round. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the old reviews. Brain fog. I will see you next time. Take care.